Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Press On Nails by V. I am Vanessa and today I'm going to walk you through how I created these nails for a psychic and crystal fair. So I've already gone ahead and put a base coat down with regular nail polish, let it dry overnight, and here I'm adding a gel top coat and curing. All of the products used in this video are down in my description. So here I'm using one of the sheets from 𝒔𝒕🔥 stampers that come with their plates. It allows you to be able to kind of brainstorm and see what designs are going to look like before you stamp them. So here I'm just kind of seeing what kind of design I want to use and what pictures I want to use from the plates. For this nail, I had the idea of having kind of those beaded doorways kind of look like in the corner and have like the crystal ball down at the bottom right. Here I'm taking some black stamping polish and a brush from 𝒔𝒕🔥 stamper and just filling in some of the gaps. This is how I create French tips on my press-ons, as I use a stamping plate by Monology, and I use the correct stamping polish, stamp it on, and then I use a brush that I dip in acetone just to kind of clean up the edges and remove any lines and just make them nice and crisp. I will go in with a finer brush dipped in some of the black stamping polish just to make the lines on the side connect and just clean it up really nice. The stamping is finally done. The top set of nails represented more of kind of the crystals, and the bottom set is more of the crystal ball psychic kind of vibe. I think they turned out really nice. I use regular nail polish, so I have let the nails sit overnight, and now I'm top coating with gel and curing, and I'm putting 2 layers on. This is the final look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are these kind of nails that you would wear? Kind of gives me a little bit of a Halloween vibe at the same time. Really like the colors. I think this turned out really well. So let me know what you think. Would love to get your feedback. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time of your day. Really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a more detailed tutorial on how I make my press-ons. Again, thank you so much, and like and subscribe. We'll see you in my next video.